That is awesome. This time with the boat, Miss Willoughby. It is December 1st, 2023. This is your after video and inspection video in the driver's notes. It said to inspect the cutlass bag, clean all that out. That seemed to be fine. What I did notice is there's bolts with the bolts that connect to the rudder to your hull. Some are missing the nuts on them. Most of them are loose. There's little pieces of wire holding it in there together. I tried to remove one of the bolts, but the hull stops me from pulling it out. I tried to remove it so I can take it with me to go get the right size nut for it. But let's go take a look at the where the rudder meets the hull and the mounting bracket, and then we'll go over the rest of the boat and let's have a look at it. That's the bracket. I didn't get in there and clean extremely hard. I got 90% of the debris off of it. I didn't want to get in there and start loosening more and more stuff up, or cut one of those wires with a 5-in-1 or something. But most of it's all cleaned out of there. I need to get those nuts on there so I can get a good clean on it. Take a look at the rest of it. I found one clogged through hole. Got that. It was a big old oyster clogging the whole thing up. But let's have a look.